The wolf is more than just an animal. It is a living symbol of wilderness, freedom, and untamed power. Across the forests, tundras, and mountains of the northern hemisphere, wolves roam in tightly knit families known as packs. These packs are not chaotic groups, but highly organized societies with order, loyalty, and cooperation at their core. At the heart of every pack stands the alpha pair, whose leadership is earned through wisdom, strength, and respect, rather than brute force alone. Each member has a role: hunters, protectors, pups, and even the old, whose experience guides the young. Wolves are master hunters, moving silently through the undergrowth, communicating with subtle glances, body postures, and barely audible growls. When the hunt begins, their unity transforms them into one of nature's most efficient predators. They chase deer, elk, and bison not with raw speed, but with patience, endurance, and strategy. It is not uncommon for a pack to pursue prey for hours, wearing it down until the moment comes for a swift, decisive strike. But wolves are more than hunters. Their haunting howls echo across the valleys and forests, carrying messages that can be heard miles away. A howl can be a call to assemble, a warning to rivals, or a song of unity beneath the moonlit sky. To hear a wolf's howl in the silence of the night is to feel a direct connection to the primal heartbeat of the wild. Despite their fearsome reputation, wolves are deeply devoted family animals. They care for their young with tenderness, bringing food to the den, guarding the pups, and teaching them the ways of survival. Even when injured or weak, a wolf is rarely abandoned, for the pack thrives only when each member is supported. For centuries, humans have both feared and revered the wolf. In ancient myths, it was seen as a guardian spirit, a teacher, and sometimes a divine messenger. In Norse legends, wolves chase the sun and moon across the sky, shaping the rhythm of day and night. In Native American traditions, the wolf is honored as a symbol of loyalty, courage, and intelligence. Yet, in history, wolves were often hunted, trapped, and poisoned, driven to near extinction in many regions. Seen as rivals to livestock and symbols of danger, they became targets of human fear and misunderstanding. But when wolves vanished from ecosystems, the balance of nature began to collapse. Deer and elk populations grew unchecked, vegetation was destroyed, rivers changed their paths, and countless other animals suffered. The return of wolves to places like Yellowstone National Park proved their role as keystone predators. With wolves keeping prey populations in balance, forests recovered, rivers flowed differently, and biodiversity flourished once again. This phenomenon, known as a trophic cascade, showed the world that wolves are not villains of the wild, but guardians of balance. A wolf's life is harsh and unforgiving. Winters test their endurance, rival packs challenge their territories, and injuries can mean life or death. Yet, they endure with a strength born of unity, surviving where solitary creatures could not. What makes wolves truly remarkable is not just their power, but their spirit. Their lives remind us of the strength in family, the importance of cooperation, and the resilience of wild nature. A wolf standing on a snowy ridge, howling into the twilight, is more than an animal. It is the spirit of wilderness itself, untamed and eternal. The wolf is not simply a predator. It is a symbol of what humanity once was, deeply connected to the earth, reliant on kinship, and guided by instincts honed over millennia. To understand the wolf is to glimpse a part of ourselves that civilization has long buried, but never erased. And so, as long as wolves roam the forests and mountains, the wild will never be lost. For their howl is not just a call to their kin. It is a call to us, a reminder that nature still beats strong, waiting to be heard, respected, and preserved. Like and subscribe to stay with us on this amazing journey through the animal kingdom.